Hello, West Hampton Free Library patrons. This is Mr. Evan here. Thank you for joining me on our quick sign-up tutorial for Kanopy. Now, Kanopy is a free movie streaming service that we offer, paid for by us, West Hampton Library, for you to access. So if you're getting a little tired of what's on Netflix, you want to try something new, you can take a look around some of the video that Kanopy offers, because it's a lot of stuff. So, when we begin, we want to click on Stay-at-Home Resources from westhamptonlibrary.net, and we want to scroll down to Kanopy, like so. Okay, and now we are here. And then we want to click on Add a Library Card. And we're going to type in the barcode on the back of our West Hampton Library card. Okay? So do that now. Or pause it. You can pause it too. And then we're going to go to the next screen. It's going to have you type in your email and your password. And this is the information that you entered upon making your West Hampton Library card. The first time you did the OPAC, the first time you did interlibrary loan on the OPAC, or the first time you did self-checkout. It's the same exact information, right? And there are alternative ways to sign up. I already have an account, so I'll show you. You can log in with Google or through Facebook. You can sign up that way, and they're both relatively easy, right? So now I'm going to log in. Okay, this is it. This is the Kanopy home screen. You can cycle through the options it offers you, just like Netflix, by category or subject. And I'll show you where you can find more options. If you go over Browse, you can cycle through. You can pick by genre of movie, by type of documentary, and you can actually bring up all of this information if you click on the Browse button. So now this is everything. So just say I am a high school student and I am writing my paper on a current affair or politics. I could click on that subject and boom, there's all this stuff, right? And it divides it into subcategories. And then if you have kids, if you want to keep them occupied for a little bit and you're tired of what's on Netflix, you click on this, you click on Kanopy Kids, like so, and boom, it offers all of these. A lot of PBS stuff, like Daniel Tiger. I know we have a lot of Daniel Tiger at the library. Some short cartoons and some story times. Some books, right? It's like animated forms of the books that we offer. It's really a great service. And finally, I'll show you really quick how to access or just watch by clicking on Watch. And then you can choose what episode you want to watch. And you can click Play First Video, and it'll start with this one. Or you can add them to your a watch list and make sort of a playlist of things, so your kid doesn't have to navigate what they want to find next. You've already made the list for them. And it really is a great service. So yeah, that's my quick tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. And I hope everybody has a good day and everybody stays safe.